You're just dancing with your feet. Let's see if we can show them your feet down there. You're standing up big on her feet. And playing. Lily's a big girl. Get it. Can you turn your seat, Olivia? Olivia, get this one. Can you get this one? Look. Can you get it? Oh, there goes the dogs. There you're turning. Can you turn your seat? What are you playing? You're a big girl standing on your feet. Do you want that one?